So this is how you can trim the YouTube Shorts on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you might open up the YouTube app and go to the, the creator that you like, whatever. Just make sure that you open up the actual Shorts, right? So there are like different styles of the content, but you can go to the Shorts and you should be able to see the remix button. It depends on how the creator has decided to go through it, but you can tap on the remix tool as such, and you can see we have the cut this video button, so you can just trim it this way. As such, perhaps you don't want to use the whole thing for your own remix, and you only want to cut out the parts of the image. Then click on done, and then you can see you can add like more things to it and just proceed with the regular features of the YouTube Shorts. So as I said, it really comes down to what your goal is or what you're trying to do, but very likely this is the thing, and it is a great feature which is part of the YouTube app. So that's how you can use it. Thanks a lot for watching. In case you have some additional questions or some things you were wondering about, then share it below in the comments. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later, and yeah, see you in the future videos.